Hello everyone. We are in the middle of an exciting EV revolution where we see the latest and greatest innovation happening. We are so glad to be part of it. Imagine a scooter that's designed for everyone, irrespective of their lifestyle or age. We brought that idea to life at Brisk EV. My name is Vivek. Welcome to the launch of our product, Origin.
Boring.
Will you let me do my launch today?
My launch.
Can I continue with my launch now?
My story.
Will you take the stage now and introduce yourself?
Vivek, we have a great innovation, but this is not a great introduction.
What, you need hero-like introduction?
Now you're talking. All great heroes have great backstories. Start with mine?
A flashback?
Yes, genius.
Makes sense. Let's begin from where we began. Our journey began in this very space, where we call it as Brisk Ground Zero, a place where ideas turn into reality. Are you satisfied? Can we do the reveal now?
Yes. But remember what I asked for?
Of course, hero introduction.
Hi, this is Swati Vardhan. Our philosophy at Brisk revolves around creating products which are not only visually appealing but also highly functional. We wanted to make sure every element has its purpose, enhancing both aesthetically and usability. It's all about balancing customer wants and needs. So we focused on making sure the scooter feels right for everyday use, ensuring it fits into people's life seamlessly. Now let me introduce my team.
See that guy with the long hair? He's our designer. We hired him for his skills and definitely for his looks. Gotta have that artistic flair, right?
Hello, my name is Devendra and I like to design and ride two-wheelers. Let me take you through a small design journey of Brisk EV. So when I started this journey, the first step I took was to study the market and the user. One thing became very crystal clear about after this research, there is a transition happening from petrol vehicles to electric vehicles, and design also need to evolve with this change. Everyone wants something different in a scooter. If it's a riding enthusiast, they want something very performance focused. If it's a teenager, they want something which is very fun. If it's a homemaker, they'll look for something which is very convenient. So considering all this, we want to design something which is very sporty and very practical as well. For all automotive design, it's more about the proportions and the emotions we want to create. So we spent sleepless nights exploring different sketches, different design directions. We created a lot of renders. We take inspiration from a lot of sources, be it nature, aviation technology, product design trends. We were looking for something which is having a lot of confidence, a lot of aggression, and a dynamic kind of stance. So we came across Panther. That was one of our inspiration, and the running stance of a Panther gave our vehicle, the side view of the vehicle, very dynamic and very sporty kind of stance. Engineering constraints also affect the design a lot. Few times what happens is whatever the design we give is not feasible in the physical thing. So we have to then change the design according to whatever the constraints are there. But when both the teams are working together, we achieve a really good product. Once the design was in mature state, the expertise of a clay modeler becomes very crucial.
Hello everyone, I am Prasad. Apart from designing, I enjoy doing 3D modeling and clay modeling. When designer comes with a new idea, we need to visualize in the 3D form. So that's why we use clay modeling to visualize a better forms, lines and how light interacts with the surfaces. It allows us to touch and interact to get the deeper connection with the scooter. The unique challenge we faced was to maintain the sporty and practical elements to make them dance on the same tune. Once we start getting an actual form, it's always a moment of joy for our team. But we are missing something important. We need to add colors to bring it to the life.
It was crucial that our colors mirrored our commitment to sustainability and innovation, reinforcing our brand identity. We made a lot of mood boards to draw inspiration from world of nature. Fashion, technology and sneakers to the bright, lively colors of Hyderabad, beautiful places. We got some color ideas from State Bird. And don't worry, if you prefer a more classic look, we got simple and solid options too. From the moment you see our scooter, we want you to feel that connection. The design is not just about the looks. We have engaged focus groups to test our colors, integrating their feedback to perfect our palette. Our final palette blends vibrance with practicality, appealing to diverse taste and ensuring market distinction. I'm thrilled to unveil our new colors. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We cannot wait to watch these dazzling scooters brighten up the streets.
Let's hit the road now.
When you ride, it's just you, your dreams, and your Brisk. With Brisk, you're never riding alone. For every turn, every mile, there's always the next challenge waiting. You, the trailblazers, the go-getters, the late-night doers. Where other pause, you push for more. This is your moment, your spark to ignite the future. Greatness isn't just a choice, it's your only path. It's the only thing that matches your speed and your ambition. Brisk EV, as fast as you, as unstoppable as your dreams.
When you are designing something from scratch, it is very essential that we build a platform where future products can be built on it.
We should be flexible enough to accommodate one of the biggest battery pack in the segment.
The challenge was to fit a big battery pack into the chassis while maintaining balance in overall structural stiffness, weight distribution, stability, and handling.
We use the weight of the battery pack to our advantage to achieve a low center of gravity, which makes the vehicle more fun to ride.
This modular frame gives us space to packaging powerful motor and rare suspension geometry for a thrill and comfort ride.
The compound drive efficiently delivers power from the motor to the rear wheel. Additionally, the swing arm length is optimized to maintain the excellent ride quality.
While structural engineering is being done, we coordinate with other departments to get the changes like aero and battery.
For electric vehicle, a good aerodynamic design is a crucial part to determine efficiency. When choosing an EV, range is a top concern. So to maximize it, we focus on two key factors. One is the drag, which is effectively the air resistance. So when the vehicle speed increases, the drag increases, which in turn affects the range. So we perform aerodynamic analysis on the vehicle to determine the optimum design and optimum frontal area, so that we can minimize the drag as much as possible. And the second factor that affects the range is the temperature. Batteries perform best between 25 and 45 degrees Celsius. We perform aerothermal analysis on the vehicle to design ducts and cooling vents to maintain the battery within this operating range, which ensures longevity and consistent performance. So the external analysis done, we now focus on the internal construction of the pack. We perform various analysis and tests to determine the optimum parameters like cell-to-cell spacing and the type of thermal materials that are used. We have built a pack which is completely serviceable. Even if one component fails, can be replaced independently rather than replacing the whole pack. So, which we believe it to be a good saving for the consumer.
Let me introduce you one of the most vital components, the BMS or battery management systems.
We often refer to BMS as the brain of our vehicle. Just as the brain is central to our own well-being, the BMS is integral to performance, safety, and reliability of our vehicle.
We have meticulously designed this system to deliver the best possible range and ensure that every ride is safe and enjoyable.
We designed our architecture to handle and respond peak currents that no one has seen before in this segment.
Safety and performance are at the core of our process. Our BMS is fortified with 8 layers of protection, including active cell balancing to ensure the highest level of safety.
Our design features over 400 components spread across 6 layers of PCB. This smart setup ensures safety and high performance.
As you explore the exterior beauty and advanced technology of our scooter, remember, the real magic happens within.
We are thrilled for you to experience our two-wheeler technology, where innovation meets performance and safety.
We really want to thank our amazing team for the sleepless nights and endless hours they poured into their passion. Their dedication is what brought Brisk to life. At Brisk, we have infused cutting-edge innovation into every aspect of our engineering, from advanced chassis design to embedded system and CFD technology. Throughout this journey, our main focus was safety and reliability. We started by listening to your needs and designed the scooter, which is not only practical but also powerful and joyful experience. By now, I am sure you have learned a lot about Origin and very curious about the pricing. I am going to hand it over to Vivek to get into more details about it.
We have tested this vehicle in simulation and on-road to make sure that it gives the most fun and stable drive. We have equipped a battery of 4.5 kilowatt to make sure that it will give you the ample range to take you anywhere with about 200 kilometers on a single charge. We have designed a motor providing 3.3 kilowatt nominal and 6.5 kilowatt peak, which will deliver about jaw-dropping 160 Nm torque at the wheel level, which will make your overturns and rideability very fun. We also have included a 7-inch touchscreen, which includes the maps, connectivity, and a reverse mode. With all these things included, we want to launch this vehicle not at 175, not at 165, not even at 1,50,000. We want to launch this vehicle for 1,39,000 ex-showroom Hyderabad for an introductory price. You can start your pre-booking for just a nominal amount of 333 rupees on our website, and we will announce it very soon.
That's it, guys. It's time to sign off here. Now, don't be sad. I'll see you at your home soon.
I can try and love as much as you love me. I will do my best, and you can make it easy. I can try and fly, there's got to be a way. My arms out like a bird, waiting on a Saturday. I can try and steal, I can try and try, I can dream and dream, for every day I want